Hey guys, I'm about to give you a full walkthrough of the abandoned Ellis mansion that we recently inquired to attempt restoration. The house has been abandoned for over 20 years and today it is over 119 years old. You can find its history on our Facebook page and also access the GoFundMe link. Let's get to it. Just wanted to give y'all a first look at the house before start cleaning it up.
Yay. So I can really have this table?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's no fucking cabbage.
It's gonna need glass.
Huh?
It's gonna need glass.
I'll
As you can see, vandals have ran through it. It's the second living room. Front door entrance. A very in despair fireplace. It's now laying on the ground thanks to vandalism. You can see the staircase. Let's go on up. Here we have upstairs. And over there in the corner is the Ellis sisters' original sewing machine that she sewed dresses together with because she handmade all of her dresses. And yeah, it's pretty cool that that's still here. This is the outside top deck. Looking pretty rough. Got some work to do there. Going back through the rest of the house. It's got a huge walk-in closet over there. This is one of the bedrooms in the hallway. This bedroom. This is the worst room in the house. This is where we're finding roof damage. So that's going to be a fun task to fix, but definitely possible. We got the bathroom. Not too bad. Honestly, not too bad. Got a window there. This was mainly the squatter room. You can tell people were staying in here a lot, but still pretty cool. And then we have the last bedroom. So that's our starting point. We are beginning cleanup today. Stay tuned. I will be posting updates of how the cleaning goes. Till next time.